Hi, this is Manish Pandey. In the previous video we talked about how to create queue. Now in this video we'll talk about how to delete queue and how to delete walk queue items. So here you can see we have three queues: Centrix Data Solutions _ queue, Q1 and Q2. Now if I want to delete Q2 here, to delete it you have to go to System Manager, System tab, again go to the walk queues, click on that specific queue that you want to delete and click on delete button. Click yes. Now you can see this Q2 is not empty. Now first you have to empty that Q2 and then you can delete that. So now I am going to show you how to clear walk queue items. Now why we are deleting this, sometime what happens, we are working on any project and for the testing purpose we create any queue and we work on that, and after finalizing of that things we delete that queue and we need to create a fresh queue name so that we can put in the production or we can move to the development and production, right? So first we have to remove that test queues. So here we have Q2 and we have 5 records available in this Q2. So first we need to clear these items. So select all these things, all these pending items, right click, and now you can see delete walk case from selection. This option is disabled. Why? Because if you want to delete any pending items, first you have to mark these items as exception or completed, otherwise you will not able to delete that. So first I will right click on this, mark case with exception, enter anything like this is exception and click OK. And now you can see we have completed this part with the exception flag. Now you can select all, right click and delete walk cases from selection. It means you can only delete exceptions, completed flags, those queue items you can delete, but if it is pending you cannot delete that queue walk items. Now we have cleared all the data from this queue. Refresh this. Now go to System tab, walk queues, click on this Q2, click on delete button, click on yes. Now it shows that this one is assigned to the queue name cannot be deleted because it has one session assigned to it. So it means Q2 is already assigned to any process. If you can see from here, there was something might be I have used in my process somewhere. Now if we'll go to the system, and now you can see from this workflows, walk queues, I want to delete, let's say Q1. So this has been assigned to one process. Now I want to delete Q1. So what I can do, I will try to click on delete button and click on yes. Now again it is showing that Q1 is not empty. So I will go to control room, click on Q1, and here we have 10 records. It means 5 records that is exception flag, 4 records with completed. So I can delete this easily, and one that is pending, so I need to mark this exception. So I can write anything and now right click and delete this item. And now I believe we can delete this Q1 if this is not assigned to any session. So go to Q1 and click on delete, and now you can see Q1 is deleted because that is not assigned to any session, but Q1 was assigned to one session, so that's why we were not able to delete that one. In the next video we'll talk about how to add items to queue.